Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming essentials: your Apple ID, password, and an active internet connection. Once done, make sure date and time are set to automatic because Mail uses them for secure authentication. Now open the Mail app from the home screen or dock. If Mail prompts, tap Accounts to begin adding your account. You're taking these steps to avoid authentication errors and speed the process, so you don't waste time troubleshooting basic issues later. You now enter credentials and select the correct account type. Once chosen, type your full email and password because partial emails can cause errors. If you selected iCloud or Google, you'll follow the provider's sign-in flow and must grant permissions for Mail and related services. Make sure to complete any two-factor authentication by entering the code sent to your trusted device or phone. This step confirms it's you and prevents unauthorized access, so don't skip it. You finish by selecting what to sync: Mail, Contacts, Calendars, and tapping Save. Mail will then fetch messages according to your fetch settings. Once done, pull down in the inbox to refresh and confirm new mail appears. If you don't see messages, make sure your password is correct, re-add the account, or restart the device. These steps resolve most issues. As a quick troubleshooting tip, toggle airplane mode on and off to reset network radios before deeper diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.